Hello guys, welcome back to Alainasyumventure. Today we got a guest, which is my sister. So today we're going to be eating Chinese snacks from MiniSo. So we got these Italian red meat flavored chips, China, and then we got these strawberry shortcake KitKats from Japan. We're gonna try. Oh, it's facing the back. We're gonna try these ones first. You just want to rip it first? Okay. It looks different than the regular.
Smell it?
It tastes like barbecue chips.
It smells like barbecue chips?
Yes, no.
Mm-hmm.
You want to smell some?
We all got our little napkins. It does look like the barbecue chips.
That's okay.
Alright.
Let's try it now. Okay, not these are these. My sister's already.
Let's look how it looks like. Ready?
It's like sweet a little bit. Try mine.
Oh, look.
Like barbecue.
Nothing's gonna try hers. It tastes exactly like the barbecue.
But a little bit different.
Yeah, a tiny bit different. The barbecue layers.
It's like chips.
Yeah. Look. Cheers.
Cheers.
They taste almost identical to the
I
barbecue.
feel like a little bit more sweetness. I think they barbecued the meat, maybe.
Maybe.
Okay.
It's not chips.
We're gonna rate it? Okay. I rate this an 8 out of 10. It's just that I like the barbecue chips better than these ones, even though it tastes like the same.
Nutty, you like it? Yeah? It's good? Nutty likes it.
What do you rate it?
I rate it probably the same as you. Maybe like an 8 out of 10.
A little bit more like different.
Like less sweet. You know? Because when you think of barbecue, you think of like a little bit of sweetness. But when you think of red meat, maybe just a little bit more like a seasoning type flavor. But it's still good. Okay?
We're gonna try the strawberry shortcake KitKats. This rips open.
These, they said that is from Japan. So
They're in different little packs.
oh, that's cute.
Okay.
That's what they look like.
Here. I'm gonna give
Do half of it. There. Okay. These are a little bit better packaged too. I guess you could write something on the back.
Yeah.
Maybe like a little note. Okay. Let's see. Cheers.
Cheers.
Nothing cheers. They already break it. Let's see. I'm gonna break it. That's what it looks like on the inside.
I'm eating more. I'm gonna start.
Okay. Like a small hint of like a freeze-dried.
Strawberry.
Yeah. A freeze-dried strawberry.
White chocolate in them.
Cheers.
I like how it has white chocolate fruit. The inside of it looks kind of pink.
What do you rate the strawberry shortcake KitKat?
A 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Nothing, you like it? Yeah? Nothing, one thumbs up or two?
2.
2 thumbs up. Nothing gives 2 thumbs up. And then I'm gonna say
That's 10 for now.
probably like a 7 out of 10 for me, just because I think I like the regular chocolate more, and then I was kind of wanting a little bit more strawberry and sweet flavor of the strawberry. So overall, we like the snacks, and I think we want to do a little bit of a different, maybe like a different country's snacks. I think that this is where we're gonna end the video. Yeah. Okay. So let us know if there's anything else you guys want us to try. We'll look at more snacks. Maybe we'll go back to the store and see what we can find around us. Thank you for watching. What else?
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Yes, for more videos. Bye.